So now I'm going to talk about another section called the What I Do Regularly. And this is basically the exercise equivalent of the What I Eat Often section. So this is all the fitness information I've entered recently. And you can see this is just everything I've been doing. So it's an easy access to add your fitness stuff every day. Say whenever you go to the gym, you always do the same thing. Maybe you do the elliptical trainer and then you lift some weights. So you put both of those on here, and then you can start quickly adding them from the What I Do Regularly section. We have some other things in here, like some other things I've done. And they're all on here right now, but say it was on a different day, I could just quickly add this stuff in. I did this today. I could also start from Tuesday and I did this. Oops. Oh, well, just adding it to today. But you get the idea how this works. And again, you can move these boxes around, so that's really useful. So it's basically the exercise version of the What I Eat Often box.